blazer, blazer. She's wearing a school blazer. Badge, school emblem. The blazer has a badge. Blouse, blouse. Girls wear a white blouse at school. Tie, tie. The tie is striped. Skirt, skirt. The girl is wearing a grey skirt. Tights, tights. In winter, girls wear warm tights. Socks, socks. Students wear black or white socks. Shoes, shoes. Students must wear clean shoes. Polo shirt, polo shirt. Some schools use polo shirts. PE kit, gym clothes. We change into our PE kit to do sports. Tracksuit, sweatsuit. Some students wear a tracksuit for sports. Headband, headband. Some girls like to wear headbands. School bag, backpack. My school bag is too heavy. What colour is your school uniform? Remember to like and subscribe to the Revision Station for more videos. Okay, bye-bye.